Welcome to Where the River Narrows. My name is Stephane Lacoste. Baking cheesecakes is something I fell in love with way back in Montreal when I baked my first one. I loved it so much I ended up making all of the cheesecakes for our wedding. The one I bake is pretty much a Montreal/New York style cheesecake, and yeah, there's endless amounts of flavors. Now this cream cheese is a little cold today. Second portion of cream cheese. So you want to make sure you scrape your bowl often. Now I'm going to put in the rest of the sugar, which is 2/3 of a cup, and mix again. Always break your egg in a separate cup. So the same way we did a brick at a time, we're going to put the egg one at a time. And if your egg's got a blood spot or it's just rotten, then you're contaminating your mix. Make sure there's no unmixed part. We'll be baking today the butterscotch bacon and brandy cheesecake. We're going to add the brandy. You can add in your vanilla. We're going to pour in 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. It's always a good idea when you create an emulsion to stir in the same direction. Is that it's a dense cheesecake. Don't overbeat. Don't mix on super high either. That's it. It's done. So I'm using a cake base, a regular cake base. You can use brand crackers if you want. Just pour it in there. 3 or 4 good bangs. You get all the air bubbles out. You want to cook it in a water bath. Then fill it with water till about half the height of your cake pan. So the cheesecake is in the oven. When you move it, it jiggles just a tiny bit. You pull your cheesecake out of the water. The only thing you can do is after 15 minutes out of the oven is you can separate it with a knife from the rim because it will expand and then it could crack in the middle. So we're gonna make the bacon butterscotch, 3/4 cups of sugar and about a tablespoon of water. And don't stir it, it's better that you just rotate your pan as such on medium high. And you wanna stop when it's just becoming amber colored. Keep an eye on it because when it goes brown, it's really fast. Whoa, deliciousness. So butterscotch, the word is in butter. Being that this is a bacon cheesecake, we're gonna add bacon fat and butter. The ratio is 1 butter, 3 bacon. What keeps it liquidy is adding in the cream. At that point, you're completely removed from heat and you want to stir non-stop until it is all incorporated. We've taken our cheesecake out of the refrigerator. We're ready to top off our cheesecake. Beautiful. Quick piping back trick. Fold it over, making sure that your end is very pointy. Heat up a little bit of cream. It's kind of a ganache. Ganache is chocolate and cream, which makes a sauce and keeps the chocolate in liquid form. Careful, you don't want to burn it. Keep your eye on it. You pour your chocolate into your mold. The piping bag. Fold it over a couple of times, and then start pressuring it. Cut off the tip. It's okay to be messy. It's the beauty of our cakes. Last but not least, our bacon bits. Alright, here we go. Got yourself bacon butterscotch brandy cheesecake. It's good. The best way to cut a cheesecake, take a small knife, it's a smaller blade, run it under hot water, get in there. Beautiful. I like baking a good cheesecake. You know, there's an art to it, and it's a process that's very demanding, very tedious, very complex.